मडगावच्या पालिकेन काडिल्ल्या मास्टर प्लानाक मडगावच्या थळाव्यांनी विरोध उक्तायलो. प्लान अस्पष्ट आसा, थळाव्यांक त्रास जातलो, शाराची वाट लागतली. प्लानाची दुरुस्ती करात वा प्लान ड्रॉप करात म्हूण थळाव्यांचो पालिकेक फार.
Why can't the plan be zigzag? Why can't it be straight?
What you're talking?
What kind of a plan is this?
No use.
There's no use
What
then.
he's saying is correct.
Give us a detailed picture of this fort. Number one, the natural drainage and the sewage drainage, garbage disposal system. Number three, smooth flow of internal traffic. Number four, proper system of disposal of the garbage. These are our priorities for Margao city. Those decorative things, we are not interested at this stage.
General things. I'm asking you specifics. What is your specific plan for the area? Then your municipal church, which has all heritage houses.
We want that to become.
Please give me the specifics. Don't tell me we want. Tell me what you all have decided.
We can do this, we can do that, we can do something else. We don't want to hear those things. We want to know what exactly are you out to do on that street. Come with specifics.
Last time you had this big plan for commercial exploitation. Some innovation hubs, innovation hubs. So today you have not mentioned anything.
Because of what the data we got last time, we have removed that. It's not part of the plan.
Then you
have to mention what 15 away is showing around 15 meters, but in actual if you go there, it's around 8 meters. If you use that as a base, you have to break the buildings.
Some of these suggestions.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सगुण गावडे.